Baby, don't just like me to mess up a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know.
Guys, this is the most beautiful place I've ever been to in Kenya so far. Hey, it's beautiful. Let me just give you guys a quick tour of the house before we start our staycation. But can you check out that view?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shykoh. If it's your first time here, you're very much welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for coming back to watch my content. So today we are at this beautiful place, as you guys can see. It's called Oltalet Cottages in Kajiado County, and honestly guys, this is one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to in Kenya, and I just want to give you guys a tour of the place. This is mostly a house tour, so that you can see the rooms, you can see how the accommodation is, you can see just every small detail about the place. So let's get started. But before that, kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up and share this video with a friend. I mean, like, share with your girlfriends and start planning to come to this place. But let's just get straight into the video. Once you walk in, this is the first thing you see. There's this place where you just chill. So we've just come in, so ignore our bags, but this is a place where you can also relax as you enjoy the beautiful view. Yeah, so this can accommodate quite a lot of people because you have this, you have this, and you have this. So beautiful. And then we have this area over here. So let's go into the house. Guys, I want to show you the rooms downstairs. There are 2 rooms downstairs, but yani, the art is amazing. So look at this. Wow. Okay, this is the first room with 2 beds. Yani, it's a whole African theme, you guys. Check this out. And they have mosquito nets as well. And the view, the window is amazing. And from the window you can see nature and the environment outside. It's beautiful. So, and a place to store your items. This is the first room downstairs, of course. So we move. I love the rugs. Look at this, beautiful. And this is the bathroom. Wow. Oh, so beautiful, you guys. Check this out. Wow. And we have this Maasai decorations. The toilet is down here. So when you're showering here, you're just looking onto nature. I love it. I love it. We have towels. Pretty. And more decorations here. This one has a big bed and it's spacious. This one is very spacious. Wow, the window is like the other room's window. So pretty. Look at this. It's like a sort of a dressing table, and I'm here to show you the rest of the room. You guys, I wish I had a camera. This is not even doing this justice, but we move anyway. That's the room. This one is very spacious. I love it. And then is a place to store your clothes. They have 2 lampshades on this side and on that side of the bed, and then we have another bathroom. So it's like all rooms are en suite. Wow. Okay. Oh, I love this. Check this out. This part of the bathroom is stone. So we go back upstairs and I can show you the rooms upstairs. So when you walk in, there's one bedroom here upstairs. Have 2 beds. I love the African theme. It's so beautiful. Have a small window and it leads to the bathroom. I love this sink, like this shape of sinks. I love it. This is the shower, the toilet. Look at this, and then you guys look at the roof. Amazing. So as you can see, this is just right when you walk out of that room, you find the kitchen, and then this is the living area, of course, the dining area, and then this is my favorite bedroom, you guys. Let's start with the bed. I love the African theme. We have a lampshade, we have mosquito nets. I love this. The wall. And then the rooms are very well lit. We have a mirror and a table. I love that they have dustbins in the rooms, and paintings. And the rooms are so bright. And guys, this is the most beautiful room because of this bathroom. I don't know whether even calling it a bathroom is doing it justice, but yeah, look at this, guys. Look at this. We have stairs leading us to the toilets and the sink. It's the small details for me, you guys. Birds chirping. I have the shower over here. Anyway, from the bathroom you can see the toilet, the sink. Yeah, this was my favorite place. This was my favorite room.
To miss a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than when.
I think it's just a view, ama. Ni place tu ya kuchill. Nice.
But how can I lose it now? Oh, the silence is way too loud. Yeah, 'cause I won't be okay without you every day. Baby, don't run away. But baby, don't throw our love away. Baby, don't throw our love away. Baby, don't throw our love away. Instigating things, fucking up another perfect night when all you ever did was treat me right, give love and everything that I needed. I know it won't be easy, but darling, please believe me when I say I'll change. But how can I lose it now? Oh, the silence is way too loud. Yeah, 'cause I won't be okay without you every day. Baby, don't run away. Baby, don't throw my love away.
Guys, right now there is no electricity, but water is supposed to be falling here, coming here, and this one falling there, so that it forms an infinity pool and then it recycles everything. So guys, as you can see, the rooms are amazing. Yani, this place is beautiful. Like, it is amazing. I love how lit the rooms are. I love how spacious they are. It's 35,000 for Oltalet. There's Oloika and Oltalet Cottage. We came to Oltalet. Oloika is 33,000 or 27,000. It's a bit cheaper. You can check on their website. but we came to Oltalet. Oltalet accommodates 8 people and it's 33,500. But basically guys, this was such a worthwhile investment, just coming to visit this place. You can come with kids for free. Like once you pay the 33,500 for the entire place, kids are free. How amazing. So thank you so much for watching this house tour video. This place is so amazing, you guys. I hope that you get a chance and you plan to come visit this place. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to watch the vlog so as to see how me and my friends enjoyed our stay here. So at the vlog you're gonna see just, you know, life in it, because this was just a house tour. So check that out, check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.